median. You done the median stuff already? Okay, never mind, no problem. We go through, okay? We go through. Then if you have done, you tell me the thing. If not, then we okay. We just hold on. Let me from median. Okay. You know, right? Median is the middle position. Let's say down here you have 5 items, so is the third one. If that says even, you got a plus. Always plus one lah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1 get 6. Divide by 2, you get the third position. Right? You know this, So for frequency, for this range, you know, right? 0 plus 10 divided by 2, that gives you the value. Okay, let me, I shouldn't go too fast. Have we done question 1, A, B, C, D?
We did it last lesson.
Last lesson, You tell me where I stopped, okay? Did we do question 2? Yes. Question 3?
Yeah.
You have done. Question 4, no, right? Done also. Done also. Oh. This one?
No.
No, okay, so we start with this. Okay, just let me check. Median.
$73.
23.
73.
73 for question number A or B?
A.
A, okay. So your middle position is?
11.
Do you plus 1? You must plus 1, miss. You must plus 1.
75.
So, okay. Hold on. So you have now, okay, to find the middle position, remember you take the frequency, 22, you plus 1, right? Then you divide by 2. You get position 11.5. Now this, I think, is position number 11. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is position 12. So it is in between here. 74. 74. So how do you get the 74? 73 plus 75 divided by 2. Okay, that's how, you take the two values, divide by 2, you get 74 lah. Okay, what about B?
$73.
73. 73. Well done, well done, well done. So how you find it so far is it's not so tough, right? You got to remember the steps only now. Okay, we try question number 6. You know what's household, right? Household is your, yeah, okay, but I think I wouldn't, yeah. You try 6AB. 6AB, yeah.
Seven, eight, two, five.
72 point.
7825.
Okay, sorry. 7825. Well done, well done. Okay, so you found the mean household income. What's the median household income? Are you okay? Yeah.
Rearranging.
Sorry, I didn't hear what you said. Sorry.
I'm rearranging.
Rearranging, okay.
Six, zero, 80.
6080. Okay, can you show me your working? You have your working on paper? Okay, show me your working.
Just the rearranging part.
Yeah, plus the rearranging part. Hold on, huh? Okay. Okay, thanks. this is it, right? Okay, but first of all, let us see. Sorry, I just need to just check the question. Where is
No,
it?
I don't know.
I have lost the question. No, no, Emma, I have.
You wrote the number twice.
Sorry. You wrote the number twice. You found your mistake? So, okay, what is the middle one? The median net. Where is it?
Mhm.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna. I'll just show the screen again. This median. Okay, here. So your middle position is position number 6. Remember, do you plus 1 divided by 2? You must plus 1 divided by 2.
Six 650.
Well done. So it's between the 6 and 7. 12 plus 1 is 13 divided by 2, 6.5. So the 6 number is 6420. 716,880. You add together divided by 2, you get 6650. Okay. We are going to move on to mod so that you cover everything before you go back to school. You're going back to school next week, right?
There's like, I think 2 or 3 more days of HBM.
Okay. So at least once you go back, you're quite clear on the 3 topics. We can go deeper and deeper if you want the next lesson. We go deeper into each. But for now, what we're going to do is we're going to go into mode. So we have covered median, we have covered mean, and we're going to mode. So can you try question 1, 2, 3, AB 1A, 1B, 1C? What's the mode for each? Mode is the highest frequency or highest occurring occurrence. Number 1A is 7. Okay, 1B.
Don't have.
They don't have, right? None. None. And one C.
55 and 24.
Okay, 25, 24. Well done. Okay, for this one down here. Okay, the dot diagram. Okay. Can you find the median? So for mode, we go back to median and mean. You see, we'll still revise.
7.
Hmm?
7.
Your answer is 7, is it? Yeah, first of all, 7, it cannot be 7 because this is in thousand. So what you mean is 7,000. Okay, what's your total number of students? Do you plus 1 divide by 2?
$7.5.
7.5 thousand. So your answer would be, when you're doing this one, it's between 7 and 8, right? So, but remember, this is in the thousands. So you must take 7,000 plus 8,000, and then you divide it by 2 lah. Oh, here. You will get 7.5, but yeah, it's 7,500. Okay, so far okay. What's the model steps, number of steps walk?
6 and 8.
6,000 and 8,000. Please don't write 6, no, you must write 6,000 and 8,000. Okay, well done. Okay. You just need to remember median, you need to plus 1 divide by 2 for the position. So we move on to question number 3. A would be
32.
hold on. This, when they're asking you the number of library visits, so this one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one is the mode?
4.
Sorry?
4.
4. 4 is 8, 2 is 9, miss. 2, are you okay? Yeah, so 2 is the mode. So remember, frequency can never be the mode. Frequency is the number of times. You look at this indicator. So this is the highest. Again, they ask you write down the model number of visits. So the answer is 2. What about the median now? Two. Okay. How many adults are there?
5.
Formula, please, to finding the middle position.
5 plus 1 over 2.
So what's your answer then?
18.
Position number 18. So let us see. This is from position 1 to position 3. Do you agree? The next one, 4. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 to 8. You have to write the positioning down so you are very clear now. 4 to 8 here. Okay. Then 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 9 to 17, miss. You said it's 18, right? 18 onwards now will be 3. Are you okay, Emma? Emma, you seem to be very nervous, Emma. What happened, Emma? Okay. Okay. So that's median, no? That's median. So median, you are very clear, right? Okay, so we revise. We revise median again. Okay, now. Okay, so maybe at the beginning of every lesson, I will revise the concepts lah. Okay, so median means it doesn't mean middle position, but the value of the middle position. Okay, so value of middle position. I'm writing like I this one I think you are very clear lah. So in order to find, you take frequency plus 1 divide by 2. Always frequency plus 1 divide by 2. Then you will get the middle position. And then you find what's the value. Don't go to frequency, is the one on top. You see, they tell you library visits. Library visits. So the number of library visits is here lah. So you know you need to quote the top numbers, no? So okay, never mind. We move on. We move on. So down here now you know that the position is 18, right? So this one is 1 to 3, and then 4 to 8, then 9 to 17, then 18 and onwards. But 18 is here. So you quote number 3. Okay. It's okay. It's okay, ma. I think we need to just warm you up lah. You try question just to see whether we want to do question number 4. Can you do question number 4? So I'll write down the steps out here in case you forget. What is the middle position in terms of the number? So what's your middle position?
Wait, no. 6.5.
Well done. So that's a middle position. What's the median, which is the value? Oh, sorry, you got to rearrange. Sorry, rearrange. Sorry, rearrange.
$9.25.
9.25. Well done. Well done, Emma. Okay. What is the model shoe size?
11.
11. Model, no. That means the highest frequency. You are writing now the different
9.
9, yes. Okay. So don't get confused here. If I'm gonna change this to a dotted, the dot graph, what do you call it? Dot chart. What do they call this? The dot diagram. So it will be something like this lah. 7.5. Then I put 1, right? And then 8. I put 1 also. 8.59. So 9 now down here. This is 9. There will be 1, 2, 3, right? So it's 1, 2, 3. Do you know that this is the same thing? We are now representing it differently. Can you see Cannot see.
Hmm.
9.5. You can see, right? So what you are used to now, so be careful, huh? Be careful, because down here now they give you the raw scores. The raw scores are not represented in the dot diagram. So if I refer to dot diagram, you can clearly see that 9 is the mode. But down here, you got to make sure there's the most number. This one is not, right? This one is the highest number on the scale, right? It's just one only, you know. There's only one dot here, something like that. So of course, there's others down here, which I did not draw. You must see that, oh, it can be done this way. Okay, Emma. What is the number 3 then? The mean shoe size. The mean shoe size. That means you know what, you get total value, then you divide by the number of shoes. Students, sorry.
Seven point five eight.
7.58.
8.3.
3. Okay. Do you add all of them up?
Yeah.
Are you sure? What's your total?
91.
1 to 1.
91.
91 is not now, cannot be. You try now. 9 plus 8.5 plus 11 plus 9 plus 10.5 plus 10 plus 9.5 plus you would get more than 100. Can you try again? You can use this chart, no problem. You must add 9 3 times. No, you don't say 9. One value, I just put 9. No. 9 plus 9 plus 9. You know there's 3 9s, right?
One 1.5.
Yes, 1 1. So divide by?
12.
Okay, can you divide by 12, please?
9.3.
Okay, 9.29, 9.3. Well done. Are we okay? Not so tough, right? Not so. So it's just being careful, you know. It's just being careful. But remember, being careful or careless, it is directly affected by your confidence. If you believe you cannot do it, you'll be no more nervous. And there's not when I saw you doing like that, you know, that means it's either, you know, you're thinking of winning some money, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna lucky draw something, or you're a little bit nervous. Don't need to be nervous, Emma. You believe in yourself. I'm telling you, you are better than many of the students I teach. You know, it's just your self-belief. You got to not doubt yourself. Don't doubt yourself. And I also give you the guarantee, warranty. If you want me to teach you all the way, if you want me to, okay, I will give you the warranty, but only for you, lah. Okay. But you never know. Maybe because of you, then I will extend to the rest of them, lah. In fact, last time I also didn't teach secondary school, right? But yeah, anyway, I was focusing on the primary level and I realized that, yeah, I needed to go in. Can we try question number 5, please? Question number 5, please. Are you okay, ma? see. Now, this one, you have to start with the belief again that, honestly, I myself don't know how to do in the beginning. So what do? I just proceed further. Let's see. The table shows the number of books read by a group of students during holidays. You have number of books read 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? The largest value of X if the model number read is 3. So that means, what does it mean? Model number means the number of books read. This is supposed to be the mode. And if this is the mode, that means 9 is the highest number, right? So this cannot be 9 or more than 9, right? Do you agree? It cannot be 9 or more than 9. So now did they tell you, okay, let's see. Let us count the total number of, model. Hold on. The largest possible value must be what? It cannot be 9 or more. So what's the largest possible? 8 lah. Okay, so it's like, a little bit unclear, it feels, but yeah, that's what it is now. So, but this is only an if question, the largest if. So okay, this is the answer, but they're not saying it's 8. Careful, they're not saying it's 8. They say the largest possible value. Next one now, the mean number of books read if the number of students surveyed is 45. Is the total number of students 45? What's the mean? You can do this. Sorry? 5. Good. So you got the answer, right? 5. Well done. And what's the percentage of students who read more books than the mean value? Let me see. Percentage of students who read more books than the mean value. Okay lah, easy lah, son. The mean is supposed to be hold on. When you say 5, what are you talking about 5 just now? You're talking, that's not the mean, that's X, right? That's X, right? The whole thing now is 45, right? You're saying the whole thing is 45. The whole thing here is 45. 5, 6, 7, 9, 8, 5 is 40, is it? So 40 must plus. So the value of X is 5. But you have not found a mean yet. The value of X is 5. Okay, so what is the mean? The mean you must find what is the total value here. Total value here, total value here, total value here, total value. Then after you divide by 45. What's the total value? That means the total number of books read. 5 persons read 0 books. How many books are read? You know what to do? Okay. Sorry. You caught me drifting because another student. Sorry. What's your total value? If you're found, tell me, okay?
138.
138. Okay. For number of those reading 0 books, what's your value? 5 cannot be lah. There's 0. 5. 133. Yes, 133. Divided by 5. Okay, well done. And your answer is
2.2. 10. Wait, no, 3.
2 point, are you sure? 2.10. 133 divided by 45, right? 2.96.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so sorry for the glitch. Okay. So the next one, the percentage of students who read more books than the mean value. So you said the mean value that's now you just found out is 2.96. The one who read more is from this part onwards. You agree? So you got to find out how many students that is. And the number of students is given by the frequency, correct? Yeah, good. Okay, well done.
27.
27 out of? You want to find percentage, miss? Percentage.
27 out of 45.
Times 100 is equals to 60%, right? Okay, well done. How are you, Emma? Are you okay? Is anything bothering you, Emma? Are you all right? Are you happy?
No.
Okay, because I feel that I don't know, I get the sense. I might be wrong. Okay, and sometimes I'm wrong, but sometimes I'm real spot on, Like once I met this person, I say, hey, you need money, is it? I just said, you see, how do you know, huh? And then he was in Malaysia, and I see, no, I just, I can help you. I mean, something like that. But in your case, sometimes I get a sense you're feeling nervous, or you're feeling a little bit uncomfortable or something. So, yeah. So it's because of maths, lah, I assume. The hand thing, was I correct or not? Was I correct by the hand thing? No, it was not. You're waiting for money. You're waiting for. By the way, how much do you collect for Hari Raya actually?
Only like 100 plus.
100 plus. And pre-COVID? Hundreds.
Like 150.
Okay. All right, okay, we move on to the next one. So I might be wrong. But again, yeah, I might be wrong. Okay, here we go. We go to question number 6, and then model class interval. Okay, what does it mean? What is model class interval? You are talking about the range from here, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. It's just a fancy way of saying range. So don't be upset by that. Sometimes, people want to create new names to things. Like, mean is just another word for average. In fact, some people, your book says that median and mode is also another word for average. Okay, but yeah, it's different ways of looking at it. So can we try question number 6, please?
$92.5.
92.5. This is for A, right? Okay, how do you, okay, maybe it's not fair. Okay, let us see. I'm going to draw the line now for you. You tell me now each one, what number is this? But this one, you can't see, not fair to you. Not fair to you. This one is, how much is this?
11.5.
No, 9 is here. Below 9 is here. This line, again, I is in between these two, no? It's here. This is 10, this is 20. Each one is how much? blank, 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 blank. Down here will be how much? 2, right? 4, 6, 8, 10. Huh? So this in between will be
1.5.
13. 13. See, 12, this one 14. What? You increase by 2. What? 12, 14. So in between will be 13. Down here is just nice. Okay. How much?
34.
34. Well done. And this one down here, hold on. This is 1 above. So down here will be
2.
22. Let me just highlight this. Okay, so this, when we are doing it on the net, yeah, don't, you are already an adult lah. I mean, whether you wanna accept it or not, okay, but you are thinking like an adult, right? I'm sure. Yeah, but sometimes, so what am I saying? You must be a coach to yourself. That means certain times you got to push yourself, you got to scold yourself, but certain times you got to forgive yourself and you got to overlook. So you got to play that lever. If you are feeling lazy, that's the time to scold yourself. If you're already struggling, it's a time to calm yourself down, and tell yourself, don't worry, I can do this, or it's okay if you make a mistake, it doesn't matter. What number is this? 2 below. -2, -2. 16.
The total is 94.
Total is 94. Okay, let us check again because I'm getting a different answer. This one is 11, right? The last one is 11, right? Because it's in between, Can you see now? Okay, so what's your total now?
94.
94. Okay, we go to first one. Do you have 13 here?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to write it down. 13. The next one, how much do you have? 34? Not 6, 34, right? The next one here, 22. The next one, 16. The next one, 11. Can you use your calculator and check again? 96. So you just got to be very, very careful. Okay. So I'm now going to remove all these numbers, okay? Because when I minimize, it's going to be... Okay, I just... Okay, now, find... Don't be afraid of this word model class interval. They are asking you find the mode. So what's the mode for you? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Action. 30 to 40, that's it. It's that simple, It's that simple, Emma. So now the next one, they say the class interval which contains the median. They're asking you which class interval contains the median. Which one? You got to decide. You got the number of households. What's your formula? How many households are there?
94.
Not 94 lah. There's no, you say 96. Right? Okay, then what you going to do with the 96? Plus 1 divided by 2. Remember the positioning, median positioning. You want to find a median.
38.5.
38.5. 28.5. 48.5, yes. So 48.5. Okay, so you find out which one is 48.5. You have to go, this is number 1 to 11, number 12 to what, number what, blah, 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 blah. Then you know where the median is.
I don't understand.
Okay, so you want to find, you have the total number of households, correct? And the total number is 96, right? So there are 96 persons. So imagine we arrange them down here. This is now, you want to find the median position. Take 96 plus 1. This is to find, remember, every time you plus 1 divide by 2, you're finding the position. So you said down here is 48.5, correct? Am I correct? Say that? So now, there are 11 households. Household number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, until number 11. Do you agree? This is the first 11. The next one down here is, it begins with household number 12, but it will go to what? It will go to 34, you know. So can you, okay, so now let's say, if you want to start from 1 to go to 11, you plus 11 and minus 1. 1 plus 11 is 12. 12 minus 1, you get the 11 position. 12 plus 34 is how much? 36 minus 1?
45.
45 or 45? Yeah, 45, you're right. So this, if you actually count, you will get 34 numbers. Down here, 1 to 11, you say 11 minus 1 is 10 only. No. You must start with 1, and then you'll get 11 numbers. This one is very clear lah, because it starts from 1, it ends at 11. But this one also will be 34. So the next one now will start with position number what? 46. And then you will go until we do not know how much. Down here 22, right? So you plus 22 minus 1.
67.
Okay, we don't need to go further actually, because you have already found your median. Your median is in this range. 48.5, household 48.5 is in this range. Are you okay? Now, if this is not clear, imagine now you're arranging the household according to their weight lah. So family 1 to 11 are the lightest family. Then heavier. The one to the last one is the heaviest, something like that. Or according to height. So this case is according to their utility bills. You are arranging each household according to the utility bills. So first to 11, so the middle one is this. Is this lah, 40 to 50. How, Emma? Emma's doing like that, so I'm not too sure. No, okay, the way to go is, okay, we have to continue lah. Estimated mean of the distribution. What's the estimated mean? You must calculate mean. They want you to calculate mean. What's the calculation for mean? You find total value divided by the total number of households, average. So what's the total value? 20 to 30, what is the value you're going to take? 25. Remember not? Something like that. 30 to 40, the number you're going to take is 30. Then 40 to 45. And then you're going to times by the number of what? By the number of people out here, there's 13. Times 13, then you get the value. Then 35 times what? The number 34. Get the value. Then you get all of them up divided by the number of households. It's tedious lah. It is tedious. And it's easy to make mistakes, and therefore it's frustrating. So this is where the coach in Emma has to come in. If you going to make a mistake, are you going to blame yourself? Are you going to put yourself down? Are you going to say, I'm so whatever, careless, whatever? Don't say that. Say, oh, okay, I'll try better next time. But if you are in lazy mode, then you scold yourself. Do you scold yourself? Do you put yourself down?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Do you put yourself up?
No.
No, you have to, Emma, you have to. No? Sometimes you got to look in front of the mirror. You must tell you, hey, I like myself. I love myself. And then look out for areas where let's say, oh, my nose is nice. You know, you got to appreciate your own self, no, Emma? Because sometimes we are living in a very painful world. People try to put us down. So you must be a happy person. I am a very happy person. People can tell me and use bad words on me, and I can still be okay. People can tell me, you are the ugliest person I've met. It can be very hurtful, right? So some of them, they see my children say, wow, oh, your guys are so handsome, huh? How come you're so ugly? Okay, I'm not going to allow that to the thing, so I just laugh it off. But it takes a lot. At first, it might be a little bit painful, but you got to be your internal coach, no? You got to tell yourself, it's okay. This is his perspective. And sometimes these people talk because they themselves got problems within themselves. They talk like that. So they say, no, maybe he got a bad day. It's okay, just forgive him. And I realized the nicer and nicer I am to others, these people who used to criticize me, some of them become my good friends. And this is a verse in the Quran. It says, repel evil with what is better, then your enemy will become your best friend. I'll show you the verse one of these days. Your enemy will become as if he was your best friend. As if lah. And it has happened. So, but you got to be sunshine on the inside, no, Emma? You got to be sunshine on the inside. Yes, next time you're going to have your own family, you're going to have your own children. If you are not conscious of the levers within you, then how the children in your family are going to be? Maybe one day, I got many stories, but one day. Otherwise, you'll be like some other people's tuition sessions, like the one earlier, talking about Antu and whatever. But yeah, you don't need that. You are highly motivated girl, so
40.83.
40. Okay, I'm now lost. Mean, Mean you mean. Sorry, 40.83. Okay, we have to check now. We have to check. What is your total?
3920.
3920. Okay. Your first one, 25 times what? 13. How much you get?
275.
405.
275.
You try again. 13 times 25.
255.
Okay, that's the first one. Let's check the next one. 34. The next one, 34 times 35. What do you get?
1190.
Okay, correct. The next one, 22 times 45. What do you get?
990.
Okay. 16 times 55.
880.
Well done. 11 times 65.
585.
You try again. 11 times 65.
715.
Okay, so now you got to ask yourself, how did those magic numbers appear? But do not feel frustrated and you start blaming the computer calculator and all that. You got to be coached to yourself, Emma. And this is for life, It's not only for these maths. You got to be able to keep your cool and be positive and motivating. And then you know what happened to you? You become a magnet. People will come, be attracted. Of course, boys also be attracted. Suddenly, overnight, everyone, how come this guy calling me, that guy calling me? Oh my goodness, I really got to get out of the limelight, you might say. Of course, you may say, is it really true? Well, so what's your total, Emma?
4150.
4150. I have 4100. Okay, we try. You agree it's 325? Can you AC your calculator? Is your mode in D? Is your mode in D?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. We do 325 plus 1190.
4100.
4100. Divide by. Now you find the mean. Divide by.
96.
What do you get?
42.71.
And that is your mean. That's your mean. So has it been frustrating for you? This you got a lot of these very intricate numbers lah. You just got to be very careful only. So you just gotta be careful. Check your calculator. Check again. You gotta be meticulous. Sometimes, depending on the job that you do, you might have to be meticulous. No? Especially if you're dealing in numbers. You say, "No, I'm never going to deal with numbers. I'm going to deal with art." Maybe. But you think about what I say about a coach, okay? You got to be coach to yourself. You must be conscious, no? Conscious. Inside of you, there's something. All of us. Inside of us, there's something. Outside, there's something. The internal voice will tell you to do good. There's another voice that is going to tell you to do bad. You got to be conscious that that thing is not you, no? I do not know whether you know what I'm talking about. I said, when can I end the tuition? Okay, but anyway. All right, I'll see you again next week. Next week, you say you're having HBL. So is next Tuesday night possible or not? Possible. So again, we target 8 to 9:30. If it's not, then you tell me like the other day lah. Okay. Smile a lot, Emma. Take care. Bye bye.